Minasan konnichiwa. Today we are going to learn JLPT N5 Kanji lesson 2. So today we are going to learn this 19 kanji. In first lesson we have learned 21 kanji. Today 19 kanji. So totally 40 kanji. First meaning is weekdays. Reading is yo. To tell weekdays this will be used. So how to write this kanji? You may feel little difficult to write this kanji, but if you do some practice, it is easy for you. First, learn the meaning of that kanji, then learn the reading, then try to write this kanji. We are not going to write this kanji anywhere because we are using almost computer or mobile phone only. But you should know how to write this to understand the difference between two kanjis. Some kanjis, the radicals will be same, stroke will be the same. So you should not be confused. For that, you should know at least how to write that kanji. So this is how you have to write. So if you don't know how to write the kanji in stroke order, there are many apps available in Play Store. Please download and try to use. If you are not sure about stroke order, that is not a problem. But you should write properly. So where to use this kanji? Nichi yobi, Sunday. To tell days, it will be used. Getsu yobi, Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Suiyobi, Wednesday. Mokuyobi, Thursday. Kinyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. Yobi, days of the week. So this kanji mostly will be used to say days. It will come with the days. So next kanji, ji, tera, dera. Meaning is time. Ji, tera, dera. So how to write this kanji? Put line like this, then horizontal line. So this is how you have to write this kanji for time. So where to use this kanji? Ottera, temple. Ottera, temple. Jiin, sacred building. Yamadera, mountain temple. Kiyomizudera, Kiyomizu temple. Kinkakuji, temple. This kanji indicates temple. Next one, time kanji. Reading is ji toki, time. So writing is same as Tera temple kanji. Only this he will come in front of Tera. So before Tera, he kanji will come. This is time. So where to use this kanji? Ichi ji, 1 o'clock. Toki doki, sometimes. Jikan, time. Ichi jikan, 1 hour. To tell time duration. Toke, toke, clock, watch. sonotoki, sonotoki, that time. Jidai, jidai, age. Jikoku hyo, jikoku hyo, timetable. This kanji always represent time. Next kanji. This is meaning is half. Reading han, naka, han, naka. Meaning is half. So how to write this kanji? Two quotation mark like this, then two vertical line. The below one should be bigger than upper one, then horizontal line. That's it. This is for half. So where we'll use this kanji? Sanji han, sanji han, half past 3. Means 3:30, like 3, it passed 3 o'clock. Han bun, half minutes. Han to, peninsula. Han toshi, half a year. Zen han, the first half. Han gaku, half price. Ichigatsu nakaba, ichigatsu means January, nakaba, middle of January. This kanji is mostly to tell half. This sword kanji. Reading is to, katana, sword. So how to write this kanji? That's it. Katana, to. Katana, sword. Nihon to, Japanese word. Tanto, dagger. Next one, minute kanji. Reading is bun, fun, fu. Wakeru. Bun, fun, fu always indicate to tell time, minutes. Wakeru is to understand. So meaning is to divide, separate, apart, share, many meanings. So this writing is almost same with this word kanji. Only these two will come. This upper two part will come extra for minute kanji. So where will use this kanji? Mostly used to say minutes. Go fun, 5 minutes. Jippun, juppun, 10 minutes. You can use both to tell 10 minutes. Next one, han bun, half. Wakaru, to understand. Jibun, oneself. Kibun, feeling. Jubun means enough. Wakeru, to divide. Wakaru is to understand. Wakeru is to divide something. So next one, this is upper kanji. Reading is jo, kami, uye, uwa, nobo. Jo, kami, uye, uwa, nobo. Meaning is top, above, on. Don't confuse with these meanings. Let's see how to apply in words. uye, uye, up, above. Ageru, ageru, to rise. Jozuna, jozuna, good at. Uwagi, uwagi, jacket. Kawakami, kawakami, upstream. Okujo, okujo, rooftop. Noboru, noboru, to go up. So next kanji is lower. So reading is ka, ge, shita, shimo, moto. Bottom, under. So ka, ge, shita, shimo, moto. For upper kanji you have to write like this. For lower kanji you have to write in downwards. So shita, down, below. Shita, shita, down, below. Sageru, sageru, to lower. Kudasaru, sorry, kudasai, kudasai, give me. Chikatte, chikatetsu, chikatetsu, subway. Hetana, hetana, pour at something. Joke, joge, up and down. Orosu, orosu, to put down. Kawashimo, kawashimo, downstream. So next kanji. Reading is sa, hidari, left. This kanji meaning is left. Sa, hidari. So how to write this kanji is straight line, then little slope like this, then two parallel line, then horizontal. Hidari. So where to use this kanji? Hidari, left. Hidari, left. Hidari te, hidari te, left hand. Hidari gawa, hidari gawa, left side. Sayu, sayu, right and left. Sayoku, sayoku, left wing. Hidari kiki, hidari kiki, left handed. Next kanji, this is right. Reading is wa, you. Migi, wa, you, migi, right. So to write this kanji, same like as hidari kanji, but here this square box will come. If the square box alone is called as kuchi, mouth. When it comes like this, that is migi, right. So migi me, right eye. Migi me, right eye. Migi peji, migi peji, right page of a book. Migi te, right hand. To tell left hand, hidari te. For right hand, migi te. So next kanji, this is front, ahead. Reading is zen, zen. Maye, maye. Meaning is before front. So how to write this kanji? Then put straight line. This is Getsu kanji, month, indicates month. Put this, then put Ri. It's similar like Ri. Mae. So where to use? Mae. Before front. Mae. Before front. Gozen. Gozen. AM. Gosen chu. Gozen chu. In the morning section. Namaye. Namaye. Name. Sannen Maye. Sannen Maye. 3 years ago. Maye Uriken. Maye Uriken. Advance ticket. Zen Han. Zen Han. The first half. Next kanji is Atto kanji. Reading is go. Go. Ko. Ko. Ushi. Ushi. Atto. Atto. Nochi. Nochi. Oku. Oku. Reading is back after. So how to write this kanji? You may feel little difficult to write, but try to practice. So words with this kanji. Ushiro. Ushiro. Back, behind. Kurasu no ato. Kurasu no ato. After class. Ato de. Ato de. Later. Go go. Go go. PM. In the afternoon. Saigo. Saigo. The last. Kohan. Kohan. Later half. Second half. Nochi hodo. Nochi hodo. Later. Okureru. Okureru. To be behind. So next kanji. Go. Go. Noon. To indicates noon. To write this kanji, words with this kanji. Gozen. Gozen. AM. Go go. Go go. PM in the afternoon. Gozen chu. Gozen chu. In the morning. Shogo. Shogo. Noon. Next one. This is gate kanji. Mon. Mon. Kado. Kado. Gate. So how to write this kanji? Put straight line. Then write hi kanji. Then opposite way. This is gate kanji. These two should be in same, equal. So words with this kanji. Mon. Gate. Mon. Gate. Senmon. Senmon. Major speciality. Seimon. 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 Front gate. Bumon. 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 Division section. New moon. New moon. Introduction. Kadomatsu. Kadomatsu. Pine branch decoration for the new year. Meimon. Meimon. Distinguished family. Next one, in between. This kanji and gate kanji is almost similar, but he come in between these two gate. Reading is kan, ken, gen. Kan, ken, gen. Aida, ma. Aida, ma. Meaning is interval, space. So to write this kanji, first write gate kanji. So in between he. This is space interval. Room, time. Aida, aida, between. Jikan, jikan, time. Nijikan, nijikan, 2 hours. Ishukan, ishukan, 1 week. Mani avu, to be in time. Machigai, machigai, mistake. Ningen, ningen, human being. Second, world, society. To, to, so. Higashi, higashi. Reading is, meaning is east, east. So how to write this kanji? This is higashi, east. Words with this kanji. Higashi, east. Higashi, east. Higashi, guchi. Higashi, guchi. East, exist. Chuto, chuto. The middle, east. Tokyo, Tokyo, Tokyo. Kanto, Kanto, Kanto area. Toyo, Toyo, the east. Tokai, Ichiho, Tokai, Ichiho, Tokai region. Tokai, Chiho, Tohoku, Chiho, Tohoku, Chiho, Tohoku region. Next one, best kanji. Sei, Sei, Sai, Sai, Ni, best. So how to write this kanji? This will be like similar like yon kanji, 4 kanji. For 4, you will write like this. This upper part is extra. West. Nishi, west. Nishi, west. Nishi, Guchi. Nishi, Guchi. West exit. Hokusei. Hokusei. Northwest. Non-sei. Non-sei. Southwest. Seiyo, Seiyo, the west. Kansai, Kansai, Kansai area. Tozai, Tozai, east and west. Taiseiyo, 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 the Atlantic. This is South Kanji. Reading is Nan, Minami, Minami, South. So to write this kanji, South. Reading Minami, South, Minami, South, Minami Gucci, Minami Gucci, South exist. Tonan Asia, Tonan Asia, Southeast Asia, Asia. Nanto, Nanto, Southeast. Nanboku, Nanboku, North and South. Nanbei, Nanbei, South America. Nankyoku, Nankyoku, Antarctica. Next one, Hoku, Hoku, Boku, Boku, Hitta, Hitta. Meaning is north. So write this kanji. This look like, this right part is look like Nana kanji. Nana will be like this. Dissimilar. North. Hitta, Hitta, north. Hitta Gucci, Hitta Gucci, north exist. Hokuto, Hokuto, northeast. Tohoku Chiho, Tohoku Chiho, Tohoku region. Hokkaido, 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 place. Nanboku, Nanboku, north and south. Hokkyoku, Hokkyoku, North Pole. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Remaining kanji we will see in next video. Thank you.